All right, guys, you got the Q Cat. I wanted to make a quick video and ignore the beeping in the background. There's all types of craziness going on. You've got the thing in Wisconsin. You got that shooting over there, or whatever it is. I keep seeing it, and I didn't want to say anything because it's totally conspiratorial. But supposedly there are video of kids being rescued from the White House. Don't hold me to this. It's probably complete bullshit. But there's supposed to be video of kids coming out the White House at 2 in the morning. It's not the reason why I'm doing this video. I'm doing this video, supposedly something is going on in D.C. Alright? And as you can see, I have the radio on. So I bumped into a list that lists all of the military, air quote. And I bumped into these guys. And I'm going to play this for a few minutes. And I've got it dialed in where it's not noisy. And if you want to know what they're saying, it's in Morse code. You can get a Morse code app decoder thing, and you can just run this. All right. This is between Israeli Navy and the Georgian Navy, somewhere on HF. I don't know who it is yet. I have not decoded the Morse code. Let's play it. It's super noisy now. Let me see if I can fix this. No, that's not helping. The signal faded. Oh, there they are. All right, guys, let me say this. This is not even on this side of the world, okay? Holy shit, there's a bunch of them. These guys are so far out. There you go. Alright guys, I know this is noise for most people, but yeah, this sucks. So you know, there's activity out there, but this crap is not on this side of the world, man. And when you get this, the signals are in the noise level. So we're just trying to put it out there for anybody that follows. You know, I put this stuff out there because, well, you just want to know what the hell was going on. So this is in a military section. You got people talking in Morse code. We'll leave it at this. If I find something more clear, I will upload that video there again. Alright, so if you can decode this into something, play it through the app and see what you come up with. Leave a comment. You got the QCat.